We're gonna open up the chicken gate. Gonna check on everyone. Our roosters, guinea hens, our geese. Everyone is gonna be set free, so they're coming out now. The guinea hens are out eating all the ticks. Here come the gang of geese. Hey guys. They're very cautious. See what's going on. They're gonna look around. Oh, Mr. P is here. Hi. Hey, buddy. How are you? Come on, let's go do the camels. So these are the afternoon chores on the farm. Check on everything. The guinea hens are out doing their work. They're the tick eating machines. That's what they're doing. Check on the lavender, check on everybody. There come all the rest of the birds. Come on, guys. This is a typical beautiful afternoon here, springtime afternoon on the farm. It's almost 70 degrees, maybe in the 60s. Mid to late April. The lavender is just starting to bloom. Well, not blooming, but it's starting to turn green. You can see here some of the leaves are starting to come back. And let's go do the camels. Let's see what surprises they have in store for me today. Humphrey, as usual, is waiting for me here at the gate. Hi, bud. Gotta be careful with him. He's a trickster. Hi, bud. So, they say hello by breathing on each other, so that's what he does to me first. He breathes on me. Right, bud? Good boy. Come on, let's go eat something. He's a bad boy. He's destroyed this water bin. This is a really hard water bin. He knocks it over. He's destroyed it. That's Humphrey. Bad boy. The enclosure looks good. Fairly clean. The grass is starting to grow. We're going to have to start mowing pretty soon. There's Bing in his man cave. He owns that. He doesn't let anybody else in there. Hey, Bing-a-ling. How you doing, buddy? He's chewing his cud. Hi, bud. So he's happy. Here's Humphrey. Humphrey's deathly afraid of Bingham. Bingham is the alpha male. Here's their feeder. Excuse me. Hi. Excuse me. Here's their feeder. Big giant feeders, and they toss these things around like there's no tomorrow. Here's Jack. Hey, Jack. Look at that lip. Look at that lip. Hi, bud. Is that delicious? Yeah? Is that delicious, bud? Hi. I know. Hi. Hi. I know. He's saying hello to me, too, so he just breathed on me. Hi, guys. Okay. Excuse me. All right, let me get to your food. I know, buddy. I know. Hi. All right. Big, giant animals. The camera is on my head, and I'm 6'3", and you can see how this camel is still bigger than me. He's huge. This guy's trouble. Here's their little barn. Excuse me. Don't. All their stuff is in here. This is their grain. They get, this is the stuff they eat, all stock sweet feed from Tractor Supply. They get 2 scoops in the morning and 2 scoops at night. So this is gonna go in here. Hey, hey, no, bad boy. Gotta keep an eye on him. Terrible. No. Bad boy. Here, come here. Come here. There's Bingham starting to peek around. Now we're gonna give them some hay. This is first cut hay. They don't like, you're not supposed to give the camels like really green hay. They don't, that's too much, too nutritious for them. They like the bad hay. In fact, if you let them, they'll eat straw. I've seen them munching on straw before. The worse the quality of the hay, the better, the happier they are. So this is kind of, you'll see the difference between this and the alpaca stuff. This stuff is a lot more yellow. This is what they eat. They're foragers, so they go around. Ooh. Oh my God, do you guys see that? Ugh. A snake. Snake skin. Ooh, look at that. Where's the rest of that snake? This stuff you see on farms. So, all right. These guys are good. This orange twine is terrible. You always got to be careful. They can't eat. Make sure they don't swallow this stuff. That can cause an impaction in them. So you have to constantly be on the lookout for this stuff here. Hi. Excuse you. Out, 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 out. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hi. Hello. Excuse me. Step back. Come on, bud. Step back. Step back. Come on. I already gave you your food. Step back. Oh, I gotta put some more in the other one. Forgot. No, 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 no. Step back. Come on. No, step back. Come on. Come on. Step back. These guys are so powerful. He could overpower me in 2 seconds if he wanted. Here's Bing. Hey, just smacked me with his tail. All right. Okay. Hey, hey, out of there. Bad boy. See, he's naughty. Very naughty. They've broken into here multiple times. It's always his fault. All right, so everybody's eating. I'll show you Bingham's barn. Giant. Very big, custom made for them, and they have minerals and salt. All right, let's give them some water. What a beautiful day. Humphrey likes to drink from the hose, so sometimes he'll come over here, and I post those pictures a lot. They're very popular. Humphrey drinking right from the hose. So this is just well water. We have a very good well here on the farm. We get over 50 gallons a minute of water here. That rock has their charger, the energy charger for the fence. They can drink a lot of water. They can drink like over 30 gallons of water at one sitting. Usually he'll come over here, at least Humphrey will. I guess prefers eating right now. Yeah, so that rock contains the energizer that powers their entire fence. It's hidden. It's like Disney World here. You don't see the infrastructure. And then that energizer goes underground and right up there, and then boom, powers the whole fence. Goes all the way around. Around the side over there, around the back. Then on this side, it goes all the way down there. This pasture is very big. It goes all the way down to the end. It's a very long pasture, so they can roam freely. So the white one is a dromedary. That's Bingham. You can see his one hump. And just behind him, the brown one behind him on the left is Jack. He's the other dromedary, one hump. And then Humphrey has two humps. He's a Bactrian. Bactrians have two humps. Easy way to remember is the letter B has two humps in it. He's an Asian camel. So they're cold weather. Cold weather camels, native to cold weather regions of Asia. So China and Mongolia. They love the cold. And the one humpers are your common, like, Arabian camels. The two hump Bactrians are rare. There's like 300 to 500 here in the United States. There's 4 privately held camels in Rhode Island. We have 3 of them here. There goes Bingham chasing Humphrey off. He's the alpha, so they avoid him. He rules the place. He gets to do whatever he wants, and everybody else avoids him. I'm trying to fill up this tank as much as possible because Humphrey, believe it or not, will lift. He's so powerful that he'll grab this metal container and he'll move it, even when it's filled with water. There comes trouble. Humphrey's 4 years old. And the other ones are right around 15 years old. Camels live to be about 40. So they're all young. Humphrey's coat is starting to fall now, his winter coat. Look how long all that hair is. You can just imagine these guys roaming the mountains in Asia with this long hair, very ice cold weather. Look at all that hair to keep them warm. His hair is falling off, so I try and pick at it a little bit every day. He doesn't like it though. There we go, now we're drinking. Wanna see him drink from the hose? Here, bud. Here. He loves to drink from the hose. Alright, we're almost full here. I'm gonna turn this off. See if he'll let me pick some of his hair. He gets mad. He doesn't like it when I do that. See, there's some right here. Hi, bud. Let's see if he'll let me pick this stuff. Oh, there he goes. No. I gotta get all this hair off, bud. You're gonna get hot. You're gonna get hot. His hair just comes right off. Stop it. Stop it. He doesn't like it. I think he thinks that I'm like killing him or something. He's losing a part of him. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Ah. He's such a goofball. Okay. All right. All right. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, stop it. Stop. I'm leaving. All right, I'll leave. All right, I'll leave. All right. Don't mess with him. We're done with the camels. Make sure the fence is working. Hear that clicking? That means it's working. All right. Here are 2 camel signs, Bactrian and Dromedary. I'm surprised the dogs aren't out here. They're laying out in the sun. So part of it now is you gotta look around, make sure the lavender looks good. It's starting to come up. We're pruning it now, so you see it's kind of messy around. That's all a bunch of lavender that's being cut. Looks pretty good. It's coming up nicely. This will all be green and then purple in about a month and a half. The chickens making a mess here. The birds, the guinea hens. The topiaries. Gazebo looks good. All right, let's go do the alpacas and the llamas. See, these plants are not cut yet. See how bushy they are? So we're working on pruning them. It takes a long time to prune 4,000 plants. It takes weeks. Just last year we started using a hedger. We used to do it by hand. And then we got a hedger, so now it's a little quicker. You have to prune them. If you don't prune them, then they start to look kind of ugly, like crabs with long lanky limbs, and they start to look ugly. So if you want them to be nice and bushy like this, you have to prune them. Now's a great time to prune them. We always prune them in the spring, but some people prune them in the fall. We like to do it in the spring. I like to let the plants have a little extra bush when they go into the winter. I like for them to have as much vegetation on them as possible. I feel like it helps them get through the winter a little better. All right, now we're in the alpaca and llama enclosure. This is enclosure number 2. There's 3 actually. 1, we're in 2, and there's a 3rd one over there. And this is a rotational grazing system. So basically now when since the grass has started growing, they stay in each pasture for about 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks they move to another pasture, which gives the other pastures time to rest while they're in another pasture. Allows for the parasites to dissipate, the poop to dissipate, the grass to grow. So we're being the steward of the land. We're trying to do good. And that way when they get to the next pasture, it's nice and green. All right, so this is, see how different this hay is from the camel hay? This is a lot more green. This is much more nutritious. It has more protein in it. These guys also eat the same thing. This is grain. Same grain that the camels eat from Tractor Supply. It's just a generic sweet. That's Dolly. That's Kirby. That's Ricky. Those are the 3 llamas. And this is usually a show now. This is when they'll spit. Sometimes I get spit on as a innocent bystander, and there's no spit. This one spits a lot. No spit on me. They're spitting at the food so the other ones don't get to it. So since I'm holding the food, I sometimes get spit on, but I've learned to do it quickly. So now they're all kind of playing musical chairs here, arranging themselves around the food. They don't need any hay. They have plenty out there, so they don't need any, but this is beautiful hay. Nice and green. They like this stuff. See her going to the bathroom? They're very clean. They all go in one spot. See all the poop? Their bathrooms are all located in one. They try and go in one spot, so that's why it's all kind of accumulated here. I just wish they wouldn't do that so close to the food, but you can't stop them. You can't tell them where to do it. They just do it. So, like I said, they're all playing musical chairs now, trying to arrange themselves. This is a very quiet dinner time. Sometimes it's much more boisterous and they're spitting at each other. There's a crazy guinea hen stuck in here, and that thing will pace back and forth until it figures out how to get out of here. There's another one stuck over there. These guys are meant to roam the farm and eat ticks, so that's their job, be out here, but this one is stuck. It'll figure out eventually how to get out of here. Very quiet dinner time. Very, very quiet. There's a lot of them there. Usually they argue a little more, but I guess not tonight. Hey guys, see Dolly, how she has her ears back? They put their ears back like that, and it tells all the other ones, hey, don't mess with me. When they get really mad, they'll show their teeth and they'll spit. And they all have personalities, they're all different. All right, the barn is shut. Oh, there's 2 more guinea hens back there. See them over there? So I just walk around, make sure everything looks good, everything is shut. So you can actually, once the grass starts growing, I just shut this 2 days ago, but once this is shut for a while, you can see how the grass really grows on either side wherever they're not. It really grows very tall. In fact, if you look at the grass here on these pastures and look at the grass out on the field just outside of where they're closed up, it's a big difference. So the grass is already growing a lot. Like I said, it's almost late April here. So there, it's growing quite a bit. They're kind of funny. There's certain areas that they won't eat the grass, like right here. I don't know why. There's not much poop here, so I don't know why they're not eating the grass. This is a beautiful time to be on the farm. The weather's perfect. It's quiet. Everybody has left the farm, so it's very peaceful here right now. It's just after 4 o'clock p.m. Let's see if we can get this guinea hen out of here. Big difference between grass that's eaten and grass that's not eaten, huh? All right, let's open this door, see if this crazy guinea, we can get it to come out. Hear that noise? That's our peacock. That's one of our peacocks. They make a loud screech like that. Come on, bud. There we go. Crazy guinea. All right, and that is the majority of the farm chores here for the afternoon. There's still a little bit more to be done. A little bit later, I'll go back and finish the chickens. The birds need to get fed, but it's a little too early for them. And then Leonard, the barn cat, I gotta lock him up. He's so sweet. And that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us.